Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect Audi A4 Bluetooth music. First, make sure your Audi A4's MMI system is fully powered on. Next, grab your mobile device and activate its Bluetooth function. Then, using the MMI controls, navigate to the main menu. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process, ensuring both your car and phone are ready to communicate. Once in the MMI main menu, select either telephone or media to proceed. From there, choose the Bluetooth option and then look for search for new device. Your Audi A4 will now scan for available devices. When your phone appears on the MMI screen, select it to initiate the pairing process. This step links your phone directly to your car's system. After selecting your phone, a 6-digit pairing code will appear on both your phone and the MMI screen. It is important to verify that these codes match exactly before proceeding. Once confirmed, accept the connection on your MMI system. Now, you can open your favorite music app on your phone and begin playing audio, which should stream through your Audi's speakers. If you encounter any difficulties, try a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, restart both your mobile phone and the Audi MMI system. Often, a quick reboot resolves minor glitches. Also, consider deleting any old or unused Bluetooth pairings from both your phone and the MMI. Finally, ensure your phone's operating system is fully updated, as this can prevent compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.